Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Spongebob Decorations is probably one of the most iconic and beloved cartoon characters to ever grace our screens, and now you can bring the underwater magic of Bikini Bottom right into your home with an amazing array of Spongebob-themed decorations that are perfect for parties, bedrooms, or just adding a splash of fun to any space, transforming your environment into a vibrant and cheerful underwater world that will delight fans of all ages. Number 5. Transparent Bubble Garlands Mermaid Party Decoration. Add a touch of enchantment to your celebrations with these stunning transparent bubble garlands. They are perfect for creating a whimsical atmosphere at any event. Each garland features 20 transparent bubbles of varying sizes, strung together with shimmering silver thread. The reflective design beautifully mimics the look of real bubbles, adding a magical touch. These garlands are ideal for a wide range of parties and themes, including mermaid, ocean, birthday, baby shower, and wedding celebrations. Let your imagination run wild with decorating possibilities. Easily cut them to your desired lengths and hang them anywhere to enhance your party backdrop. They are perfect for decorating walls, furniture, Christmas trees, and so much more. Save and reuse these beautiful garlands for future events, making them a cost-effective choice. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and charm for all your special occasions. We are committed to providing you with the best experience. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This decoration offers a unique transparent bubble effect, simulating a fun and whimsical atmosphere. It's reusable, making it a cost-effective choice for multiple celebrations. If you're looking for a versatile decoration that can be hung in various places to create a magical underwater or bubbly theme, this is a great option. What people say. High quality, great value. Very easy to install. Added a lot to my grandson's under the sea party. Number 4. SpongeBob Squarepants Birthday Party Pack for 16. Get ready for an underwater adventure. This party pack brings SpongeBob and Patrick right to your celebration, making it an unforgettable birthday bash. We've got you covered with all the essentials for easy party planning. From decorations to tableware, it's all included for a hassle-free setup. This set is designed for up to 16 guests, providing plenty of plates, napkins, and forks for everyone to enjoy the feast. Our high-quality paper plates and napkins are built to last, easily holding all your favorite party foods without any leaks. Add a splash of color with the included banner and tablecloth. They're perfect for setting the scene and making the party space extra special. And for the birthday star, we've included a special "It's My Birthday" button to make them feel extra celebrated. What we like. This is a convenient all-in-one party kit featuring beloved characters, designed to serve up to 16 guests. It includes everything from plates and napkins to a banner and even a special button for the birthday person. If you're planning a SpongeBob-themed birthday party and want an easy, coordinated setup with plenty of themed tableware, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the characters are recognizable. The decorations were easy to hang and stayed in place throughout the party. Great addition to a SpongeBob-themed party, really brought the underwater world to life. Number 3. Frankford Spongebob Krabby Patties Gummy Candy. Get ready for a burst of fruity flavor with these fun, Krabby Patty-shaped gummies. They're perfect for any SpongeBob fan looking for a sweet treat. Straight from Bikini Bottom, these gummies capture the iconic Krabby Patty in a delicious candy form. It's a taste of the undersea world you won't want to miss. Each gummy is packed with a delightful fruit flavor that kids and adults will love. They're a fun and tasty way to enjoy your favorite characters. Make your next party or gathering a hit with these unique and colorful gummies. They're sure to bring smiles and a taste of adventure to everyone. Don't miss out on this exciting candy experience. Pick up a bag of these Krabby Patties gummies and bring a little bit of Bikini Bottom home with you. What we like. This product offers a fun and edible way to bring a beloved character's iconic item to your party. It's a unique candy that fans will recognize and enjoy. If you're looking for a fun party favor or a themed treat that ties into the SpongeBob universe, these Krabby Patties gummies are a delightful choice. What people say. Nephews loves these and perfect for his SpongeBob-themed birthday. The candies are always good and never expired. Bought these for my 10-year-old for his homemade Valentines and he was the hit of the classroom. Number 2. Yellow Blue Clear Balloon Arch Kit. Create an enchanting underwater ocean party atmosphere with this balloon arch kit. Its unique color palette and clear balloons add a magical bubble-like effect to any celebration. This comprehensive set includes balloons in various sizes and colors, plus all the accessories needed to build a stunning balloon garland. You'll have everything for a perfect display. Crafted from thick, natural latex, these balloons offer vibrant colors and excellent elasticity. They are durable enough for both indoor and outdoor decorations, ensuring a lasting impression. Ideal for ocean-themed birthdays, baby showers, summer parties, or beach celebrations. It's a versatile decoration that works beautifully as a photo backdrop or entrance display. Easily assemble your balloon arch by inflating the balloons and attaching them to the included strip. Achieve the best look by inflating them to about 85% capacity. What we like. This kit provides a vibrant yellow, blue, and clear color palette perfect for an underwater ocean theme, complete with balloons that mimic bubbles. It includes all the necessary components for a DIY balloon arch, making setup straightforward. If you're aiming for a fresh, sea-inspired atmosphere for a birthday, baby shower, or beach party, this balloon garland set will create a stunning visual impact. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the cartoon characters. The decorations are made of durable material and held up well outdoors. Easy to assemble and arrange, making party setup a breeze. Number 1. 2-pack blue backdrop curtain tinsel streamers. Bring the magic of the ocean to your next celebration. These shimmering streamers create a stunning backdrop for any event. Add a touch of sparkle to your party with these dazzling foil fringe curtains. They're perfect for creating an eye-catching focal point. Easily transform any space into a festive wonderland. Hang them on walls or doorways to impress your guests. Pair them with lights, balloons, and props to craft a truly unforgettable party experience. Your guests will love the festive ambience. Setting up these beautiful backdrops is a breeze. Simply peel and stick for instant glamour. They're perfect for a variety of celebrations. From birthdays and baby showers to holidays and graduations, these versatile decorations add a special touch to any theme party. What we like. These shimmering foil fringe curtains add instant sparkle and glamour to any party backdrop, creating a dazzling effect. They are incredibly easy to hang, making setup a breeze for any event. If you want to add a touch of bling and create an eye-catching photo booth or entrance for a variety of celebrations like birthdays, baby showers, or holidays, these backdrops are an excellent choice. What people say. Metallic foil strands for a shiny, photo booth look. Comes with adhesive strip for easy hanging. Very affordable decoration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.